Hey guys, what the heck is going on? I can't believe, I just want to do a shout out real quick. I really can't believe how much this group has grown just in a very short amount of time. And I appreciate everyone for all the input and all the engagement that you've been doing through this group. So without further ado, I've decided to show you guys exactly how you can create text within images. So with this, it needs improved over time, but this is a pretty easy way to do it. Right now, my partner and I are actually working on the solution that we found gets a 98.2% success rate within text for the AI generated images. But for now, I figured I would just show you another tool that I use that you can use too that is free. And what you can do with this is you can create the correct text just like I have in, the images that I showed you in the group, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to come right over to Ideogram. If any of you guys have heard of Ideogram, it is awesome. What you can do with it is create text a lot better than you can, say, with, ChatGPT or Midjourney and stuff like that. So what we're going to do here's just some previous, generations that I've made with Ideogram. Some were posted in the group. But today I'm just going to show you exactly how to use Ideogram. And, I'm not getting paid to do this. Ideogram doesn't even have an affiliate program. So just giving you guys the best content I can, to be able to help and grow the group. So I hope you guys enjoy this. And if you can just share this video or like it, that'd be great. So what I'm going to do here is we're just going to do a prompt like normal. I have a Ideogram Plus account, but you don't need one. So say you want to create a business logo for, a company or something like that, or you want to create something with the text, on ChatGPT, you can't really do it. It's getting better, but it's not the best. So what I found is Ideogram works pretty well for this. So what we're going to do is we're just going to run a few examples. I'm going to show you how it works and we'll get right to it. So let's just type in business logo. Actually, we're going to type in professional business logo. Professional business logo for a landscaping company with text that says, so what I put so far is professional business logo for a landscaping company with text that says, and then you put it in, parentheses. You can say, I just use one of them. I'm not sure exactly what that's called, but then we'll say the name of the business is, Mike's Landscaping. I don't know. Let's just have it vibrant. And I'm going to show you guys something cool. You don't have to have these big, massive prompts like people tell you to do with image gens and everything like that. It's pretty simple. So what we have so far is professional business logo for a landscaping company with a text that says Mike's landscaping, And then what we're going to put here is vibrant or something like that. And then they have these style selectors on the bottom, what you can do with that. When I run text, I usually like to use typography, and then you can mix it with other things. But we're just going to show you what this looks like right here. It's okay. So we'll click generate. Ideogram is pretty cool because it lets you do all different sizes. You can do a bunch of different sizes for the images right here. They've been improving this a long time. I've been using this for a little while. So you can see it gives you 4 generations, right? It looks like most of them are not too good. Let me see. Okay, so this one's misspelled. This one's misspelled. But here you go. You got Mike's Landscaping right here. Looks pretty good. Mike's Landscaping. This one's correct too. So they give you 4 image gens every time you click generate. Let's do a different one. Let's just do landscaping company. Could say, D's flowers. I don't know. Let's run it again. Oop. You can do this as much as you want, really. If you want to do a bunch of them, though, you have to pay it for a paid account, but a free account is definitely where it's at too. And there you go. It's got more text, kind of incorporates stuff like that. So, I use this a lot for different posts, stuff like that. You can see that I made one for 16,000 members when we first set 16,000 members a few days ago. I think we're at 23 or 24,000 now. So I just wanted to give you guys this kind of information, show you exactly how to do this. So let's change it around. Let's kind of 3D render it as well as using typography. I'm going to click generate. I changed the format back to a different size. If you didn't see how I did that, it's right up here. Now, like I said, this for short text, this works pretty well. If you did something very, very long, for the text that you want it to be seen, it's not going to do as good of a job as like shorts like D's flowers. You know what I mean? So keep that in mind when creating. But you can see if we added the 3D render style, it kind of did this, you know. Let's just add something else. Maybe we could say, let's see if it can do, here's the new one. Business logo or business banner for AI Facebook group with text that says ChatGPT prompts for business. Then we're going to say robotic theme, maybe. I don't know. You can do whatever you want. Let's just run this and see what it does. See, this is a little bit longer, so ChatGPT prompts for business. We'll see how good this is. And like I said, my partner and I have actually been working on a solution that is going to really take away the situation of not being able to do text within the image gens. We're just yet to release that, so we haven't put that out to the market yet. But, you know, our in-house has a 98.3% rate or whatever of success. So here you go. It did a pretty decent job, actually. So ChatGPT, it forgot the prompts there. Well, maybe it didn't do too good of a job. You can see here it's kind of messed up, spelled weird. This is spelled wrong. See, you can see with the longer text. Whatever. If it was shorter, it works a little better. So yeah, Ideogram.ai is definitely the place to be. So if you guys want to check it out, go ahead and do it. Feel free to share, like, comment, do whatever you want. I appreciate all the feedback from everyone. I will be releasing another video here soon on setting up a basic GPT that everyone can check out. Make sure if you're not looking in the group constantly, then follow me for more, because I also post these on my profile as well. So yeah, let me know what your guys' thoughts are, and have a good one.